Hi, my name is Alan Henry. My register number is UK17C015. I'm here to explain the 10th exercise of our C++ lab, that is regarding pointers and virtual functions. We got three questions, so let's look at them one by one. The first program was to basically just average the contents of a array. The type was defined, so we have to use a float array and use pointer notation wherever possible. So let's see the code. Uh, Basic things. As I get the size from the user, pointer, dynamically allocating the float array, int average 0. I'm running a for loop, getting the value for the array, again a pointer, and in the end I'm just printing the average. So let's compile it and run it. And one, two, three. Okay, that was the size, my bad. Size, let's go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the average is 3. Second program was create three local arrays all with the same size and the same type. The first two I have to initialize to some values, and through a function I have to add the values and put it in the third value. Uh, Use pointer notation here as well wherever possible. Uh, um, this is the function responsible for adding. Let's first have a look at the main function. So I'm getting the size from the user, dynamically allocating three arrays of equal size. A temporary variable here. This is for getting the elements in the first array. This is for getting the elements in the second array. And here's my function call. So the function, what I'm doing is I'm running a for loop from 0 to the size and basically just adding it, the uh, fed into arrays ith position to my arrays ith position. I've declared all the arrays here, and this will return the array. So in the end, what I'm doing is I'm just printing out. So my resultant array will be the sum of the two arrays. Enter the size. Let's go with something small, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, 1 plus 2 is 3. So it's just adding the elements and printing it here. The last program was to create an abstract class student, derive a class engineering medicine science from base class, create the objects of the derived class and process them and access them using pointer of type base class. uh, this implemented virtual functions. So let's see the code and we'll get a clearer idea of what to do. I created a class student, protected name. Here's the virtual function get and void show equal to 0. So I'm making the class abstract. uh, all the remaining classes are just deriving from the class student, where is the base class here, and they all have their individual data. Just one thing to notice, get is been used in all the derived classes, show has been used in all the derived classes, and the same has been used in the base class here and here. So in the main function, what I'm doing is student pointer a of for loop, creating objects to each for every class and running the get for each object. So using virtual functions, I'm just ensuring that the get for the base class doesn't run. The get is always the one of the derived class, and in the end I'm using show, so that will print the values. Let's run the code. Enter the name of the student, projects, name, projects name. Still, okay, so the end is printing. So that's how virtual function works. So that's it for now. Thank you.